Hi, Martine. I didn't realize it was going to come up so quick. So, this is like a little bit of a PowerPoint that I put together. Now, if you open up your PowerPoint and you put a slide in and you don't see this block at the bottom that says click to add notes, you click on the word view and then you go over here and click on normal and you will get a slot underneath your, oh, there it goes. So it may be there. What it does is it shows you, it gives you a spot where you can put some info in. When you're in this way, you've got the normal, you've got your block for writing underneath, and you've got your slides. Then you can change what's on your slides. If you want to finish all of your slides and then just go ahead and go to Note, View, and Notes page, which is this one that has a little thing on it, then you will get your picture of your slide and you will get a bigger spot where you can put information in, and you can actually click in it and pull this down and have more of the page than it initially gives to you. And then you can write everything that you need to do there. That's what I normally do, is I will click on View and then Notes page, and but after I've finished all of my slides. If I feel like I need to make a change in the slide, then what I'll do is put a little note to myself at the top that says fix this, and I will click and go back to normal. And then I'll see that and I can change my slide and take that out. So the idea is you have, let's say you're supposed to have 100 to 250 words per slide. 20% of those words, let's say you pick 100 words, 20 words would then go on your slide, and you would make that framework for memory for your audience. So it might be a little bit of a definition, it might be a couple of bullet points, it might be, and then there would be illustrations, whatever. And then the other 80 words out of the 100 words, you want to put that in the notes, and that's where you either give yourself an outline that gives you the ideas of what you want to talk about when the people are looking at your slide, or you want to write your script, you know, what you would say in a paragraph form. And then when you're done, I'll show you this. We'll go back to, we'll go back to home, and we click on slideshow, and we click on from beginning, and this is what would go out onto the screen that everybody sees. And this part back here, let me move it up. This is the part that I see and that you would see on your laptop if you were giving using a laptop to project your big slide to the people. And you would see the slide that they are looking at, the slide that's coming up. That's always useful. And then all that stuff that you put in the either underneath the slide using the normal view, or in that big square underneath your slide in the notes page. This is what you'll see when you're standing at your lectern and you're talking to people. And this is how I know what's going on with your thing, so I know what you're saying and what you're not saying. Now, a lot of students, as I mentioned, will just write a whole bunch of stuff on the slide, and then they'll copy and paste it into that spot underneath. And then when I pull it up, I see the identical stuff, and that's not what you want to do. And you certainly don't, as I was saying when we were talking, you certainly don't want to be reading everything on the slide, especially if you've got some extra things to say, because they'll get confused about what they're listening to, and it will impact on their ability to remember your point. So that's the rationale and how you do it. So basically, I hope this helps. I will also write that in the email. You'll see that probably before you see this. And then I will give you the link not only to this, but also to the other one that is done by Center of Teaching and Learning, and I think they will be, that's something you can do between uploading your draft PowerPoint and doing your revision. I think that would be the best way, because then you by that time you will have seen this video and you've seen that video and you have my feedback, and then you'll be okay. So have a great day, and I'm looking forward to week 2's final version and your draft of the PowerPoint. Have a good day, Martine. Bye-bye now.